state-of-the-art breathalyzer manufacturer with its roots in precision aircraft engineering and manufacturing. All of the presiding shareholders and engineering staff have come from aircraft manufacturing backgrounds and have combined all of their efforts to produce cutting-edge vending products. Precision welding, manufacturing, and design are all done at our Long Island, New York facility. Alco-Buddy's compact design features are high quality and high security bill acceptor. The bright, colorful flashing lights draws patrons' attention towards the Alco-Buddy while flashing a .08, the legal limit. Towards the bottom, you will see the company's disclaimer and area for advertising space, which can be sold to taxi companies and DWI attorneys. Keeping our customers in mind, Alco-Buddy has designed and developed our breathalyzer machine, which now accepts credit cards, to better accommodate our customers' needs. Alco-Buddy is the only breathalyzer vending machine which offers a model with credit card readers. Alco-Buddy has a universal appeal, and we have developed the Alco Amigo for the Latin American community. Alco-Buddy's user-friendly design is as easy as inserting the bills, taking the straw from the dispenser, and putting the straw to the nozzle. After waiting for the 10-second countdown, simply blow into the machine and wait for your results. Take a look inside the Alco-Buddy. You will notice the bill acceptor, motherboard, easy interchangeable breathalyzer sensor, and straw reservoir. Looking to become an Alco-Buddy distributor? Our compact design makes for easy installation. Located on the back panel are 7 mounting holes, which makes Alco-Buddy a breeze to install. Simply line up a template, drill 4 holes in each respective corner, level, insert screws, and power on. Using the calibrator provided by Alco-Buddy combined with the calibration solution, insert the hose onto the nozzle and blow into the machine while adjusting a screw located on the motherboard until calibration specifications are met. Alco-Buddy.